Hi everyone, in this investment minute I want to explore with you one of the ways in which some people get trading ideas. Now I don't think this is a good way, but I'm showing it to you as a warning. It's a way a lot of people do it. What they'll look for is some of the biggest movers. They'll look at the news stories. Possibly they'll look at the news stories, maybe even the volume. Most of them won't even look at the volume or the news stories. They'll just look at the percentage change, then they'll go in the same direction as the trade. That's often going to lead to burnt fingers, okay? You'll have missed the boat. A lot of the hedge funds will be looking at exactly the same data in order to short it, knowing that the retail client's going to go in late. So you might think, oh, great, I'll just go short then. I'll go in the opposite direction. Not going to work for you. There is very little evidence to suggest that following something off the back of just one day's movements, even on high volume and news, would give you a positive return the very next day, let alone the fact that some of these moves are in. Look at these price changes. They're very small prices, which means that the reason the percentages look so large is because the prices are so small, and a small move in a small price can lead to a big percentage change. So you might think, well, that's fine. I'll just look for the bigger companies and the bigger price moves. Maybe $26 is big enough, and the big move there still leaves the problem. The next day, you get a movement in either direction, going up in the same direction because the hedge funds outsmart you. One way or another, you're going to be the one losing out because we'll have access to more data than you. Okay, so I don't like that way of trading. What I disclose in my webinars is a more sophisticated way of trading for retail clients. Best practice, give them insights so that they don't make the same mistakes that other retail clients do. That's why I always say, watch the webinars. You'll see some live movements, live trades, and you'll get a really good insight onto what's actually happening and the best and better way to trade, whether it's Forex, equities, indices, or commodities like gold.